Hello everyone, welcome to Stilt video series. If you're planning on engaging a representative to strengthen your case in front of an immigration judge, you have to notify the Board of Immigration, or BIA, using a form called EOIR 27. This is a simple yet highly important form. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about EOIR 27 along with step-by-step instructions for filing it. What is Form EOIR 27? If you are involved in immigration proceedings related to removal or deportation and want to enjoy immigration benefits, there are forms available. These are abbreviated as EOIR, that stands for Executive Office for Immigration Review. This is an agency working under the Department of Justice. There are different types of EOIR forms, each intended for a specific purpose, ranging from the adjustment of status to asylum seeking to waivers. Form EOIR 27 is one of the many EOIR forms provided by the United States Department of Justice. Form EOIR 27 is titled as Notice of Entry of Appearance as Attorney or Representative before the Board of Immigration Appeals. So, as the title indicates, it is used to notify the BIA a representative will appear on behalf of the alien. Who needs EOIR 27? The EOIR 27 is submitted by aliens who want to introduce an individual or individuals in the immigration court to support their case. This also encompasses attorneys. So if you haven't had an attorney before but want to have one now, then you must file the EOIR 27 form to comply with the regulation. You have to file a separate EOIR 27 for each representative. So if you have 3 representatives, you're required to file 3 EOIR 27 forms. How to complete Form EOIR 27? EOIR is the simple 2-page document that must be filed by the attorney or representative and the alien jointly. It can be filed individually, but signatures will be required from both parties. There aren't many questions asked in the form, but accuracy is key. The instructions are present in the form itself. To make your task easier, here's a step-by-step guide to filling out Form EOIR 27. 1. On the first page, you fill in the alien's, name and address. The fields are as follows. First, middle initial, last, number and street, apartment number, city, state, zip code. 2. In the right-hand section, type your A number or alien number, USCIS visa appeal name, fine number, and disciplinary case docket number. 3. In the below section, the form will ask you to mark whether the representative is an individual or an attorney. If he or she is an attorney, then they'd have to provide the full name of the court and bar number if applicable. 4. The next section asks for the name of the representative and other details, like address and phone number. 5. The section that follows will ask you to indicate the type of appearance, whether it is primary or non-primary. 6. The last section pertains to the proof of service, which should be filled out by you, the alien. EOIR 27 Filing Fee. At the time of writing, there is no filing fee associated with EOIR 27, and it's free of cost. But there are other associated costs like mailing fee and attorney's fees, which vary. Where to file Form EOIR 27? You can send the above form to the BIA office by courier. You can mail it to the following address: Board of Immigration Appeals, Clerk's Office, 5107 Leesburg Pike, Suite 2000, Falls Church, Virginia, 22041. You can walk into the office in person and submit the documents as well. Form EOIR 27 and all other EOIR forms will take your case forward and hopefully get you the clearance you're seeking. Appeals are done in writing, and no hearings are scheduled except in rare cases. When going ahead with cases like these, it's highly recommended to hire an attorney if you haven't already. We hope this video has been helpful to you. At Stilt, we provide financial services for immigrants and the underserved. Subscribe to our channel and visit stilt.com for more details.